Wiring out of ceiling to fan is black, white, gray, red, pink, yellow and smaller diameter black. All this to new replacement remote with black and white on one side and black, white and blue on other side. Plus ground wire is attached to housing. Originally all this fed into a 9-hole connector box and plugged into old remote switch. So, wall switch has on/off switch, L, M, H fan buttons and reostat light button.
Hello. My name is I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. My goal is to exceed your expectations on JustAnswer. 1. How many wires and what are the colors in the ceiling box? 2. Is the ceiling box metal or PVC? 3. Are any of the ceiling box wires spliced and wire nutted together, or are the ceiling box wires all lone or single wires and not spliced? If spliced, what are the color groups? Or are the ceiling box wires all disconnected and no longer spliced? 4. On the instruction manual that I'm viewing, it shows that this fan model has 1. Black and 1. White from the wiring harness and no gray, red, pink, yellow and smaller diameter black as you mentioned. If you are looking at the Molex connectors, those don't count. I need to know the quantity and wire colors at the end of the harness. Where the fan wires connect to the ceiling box wires. 5. Can you temporarily back the wall switch out of the box but do not disconnect any wires from it? How many and what are the wire colors landing on the switch? 6. Does your fan have a light kit? You mention a light button. 7. Do you have a 2-wire lead AC voltage tester or an AC voltmeter available if we need to use one? 8. Your question does not state your country of origin. Where are you located? 9. Is the replacement receiver a Minka brand or a generic receiver? 10. Is the replacement receiver being installed inside the ceiling canopy cover or inside the fan motor body? Let me know what you have and we can take it from there. Thanks. Kevin. 1. Was just reviewing your question and it appears that you purchased a generic remote receiver type that is meant to be installed in the ceiling canopy cover. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. 2. Your Minka model has the receiver located within the body of the fan motor housing and not inside the ceiling canopy cover. Refer to links shown below for the instruction manual. See page 11 showing the receiver which is installed within the fan motor housing area. http://site/default/file/product_manual/f506english.pdf3. If you are looking to replace the original receiver with a canopy cover type, there is no guarantee that the canopy receiver type will work. Additionally, ceiling fan manufacturers typically do not provide schematic drawings on their fans, and wiring a canopy receiver will end up becoming a trial and error method. Not worth the hassle. 4. I would recommend that you contact the following internet fan replacement parts company and purchase an identical receiver that came with the fan. Original receivers cannot be purchased at any of the big box home improvement stores, since they don't stock them. Shown is the link below, http://www.aceilingfans.com/minka_error_ceiling_fans.html. Hope this helps. If you have any additional questions, let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. The next time you have an electrical question, you can also request for me at http://www.justanswer.com/home-improvement/expert your electrician. Thanks. Kevin.
Thanks for your suggestions. The local vendor and Minka manufacturer representative both gave us incorrect information. After 2 different local electrician visits, and trying to digest your response, we decided to replace all 3 defective fans with new ones. Your initial response was too in-depth for me. While the follow-up links were helpful, I had already searched the web for replacement parts and decided to replace the fans.
Okay, very good on the replacement fans. Thanks. Kevin. Thank you for the positive service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great day. Thanks again. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.